When ChatGPT was released to the general public in November of 2022, we made a very conscious decision in the Learning Design and Technology program to do a systematic integration of the technology into our program. Part of that reason was it was very clear this was going to be a technology that redefined learning design, and even at the onset, thought leaders in the learning design industry were already writing about this as being a design partner. We went ahead and developed AI mentors. AI mentors are digital design partners that our students work with across the duration of the program. There are 6 AI mentors. Each one has a different personality, but what's common between the mentors is they have the knowledge of an 18-year plus practitioner in the learning design field, and then within that knowledge is a persona or personality. Each one is different, and they answer questions from their personal perspective when asked by the students. Throughout the program, there are green boxes in the courses in discussion and assignments that tell the student to engage with the mentor somehow. Sometimes they're just given general directions in those green boxes and given some general guidance about what they should do and how they should interact with their mentor. In other places, they're given direct prompts. For example, in one case, they're asked to construct a Likert scale instrument. That's something that's rather difficult for students who have never done it before. Once they've constructed a first draft of their instrument, they hand it off to their mentor with a prompt we provide for them. The mentor analyzes their questionnaire and makes sure that there are no double-barrel questions or questions that are leading or have implied bias in them. If they do, the mentor reports that back to the student, and then the student is responsible for reviewing the mentor's advice and revising their questionnaire before turning it in. We decided to create 6 different AI mentors so we'd incorporate different personalities into them. Each mentor has different successes, different failures. They manage people, they don't manage people, they have advanced degrees, they may have a master's degree, they may have a PhD. It depends on the individual mentor. But the thing is that the AI mentors answer questions from the perspective of that persona, so students get different information when they ask it. Student A, who may have Emily Chen, is going to get a different answer than student B, who has Mark Wilson. The good thing about having the different perspectives and the different personas is that it lets students go into a discussion board or another activity later in the course and compare notes. It lets them understand that there are a multitude of ways of doing the same task in learning design, that there are also different mechanisms for learning and different ways to prepare content, and a variety of ways to create a learning experience that's effective for your target audience.